What is this, Dad? I cut my practical classes and waited just to see him win, you know that? And see?
What are you talking, dear? I know he will definitely win today.
If we win, we don't want to see live. Oh?
It's not important that our son wins here. One day he will win for our country. That time we'll go and see.
Mom, brother's here.
Why so late, dear?
Mom, on the way, a bike repair.
Including this 56.
All the eyes are on my son only.
Your coach had called me, son.
Yeah, Dad.
It's a national record. What was the timing?
39.
Huh?
13.88.
Okay, go.
Pugal, come for dinner.
If the alcohol and smoking is reduced, the time will also reduce. Alcohol can be okay, but smoking should be completely avoided.
See the advice giving in the midnight 11 o'clock. Drink is better, he's saying. Good father. Spoiling the character of the son. You eat, my dear.
Hello.
Hey, you idiot. You keep eating rice, no? You don't even have the courtesy to call me? If I get my hands on you, you wait and see. I'll cut you into two. Wouldn't even call me, huh?
Hey, it's the wrong number.
Wrong number? I've dialed the correct number itself. He said it's the wrong number. Fraud.
Who's calling me? Where did I get my phone? Always sitting simply.
Stop doing that.
I kept idli there. Did you eat?
Yeah, I had it.
You didn't say how the chutney is, no?
Oh, it was wonderful. Even better than yesterday. Okay, Mom, I'm leaving.
Take care, dear.
Okay, Mom. Bye. Hey, I really blasted him in the night. He wouldn't have called you after that, no? What nonsense. Look at how many messages he sent me. He also kept disturbing me throughout the night. Hey, I insulted him that much. He had the guts to call you back again. You gave me this number itself, no? 9962800713. Hey, what is this? I told you 20 and you put 00. Oh no, I yelled at somebody. Oh my god. How could you speak that in reason?
What is this, dude? Such dirty, heavy words are being spoken. Even I cannot bear it. Brother, don't pardon her.
You heard, no? Let me call her first.
Hey, I'm getting a call from that number. What should I do now?
number you are trying to reach is currently switched off.
She has switched off the mobile.
Is it? Order for tea. We'll sit and think. Why is the phone switched off actually? I don't
Tea.
get Hey, playing or what? Order the tea there, man.
How do you always come without having anything, man? Everything you have in my money.
Bro, one cigarette. No cigarette. Do you not have in the shop or is it not for me? It's a no for you. What are you going to do about it? You have a due of 110 rupees. When are you going to give? When I'm asking for my money, he's struggling like a sly fox.
Hey, my dear friend, we know that you'll win in the running race, but we didn't know that you'll create a national record.
Hey, thanks, yeah.
Brother, on behalf of Prem, everyone is going to get a treat from me in the canteen.
switched off.
How long she has kept it switched off?
Hi, Pugal.
Hi.
How do you feel now?
Yeah. I'm
How
good.
you going to swallow a samosa in one shot? He's just feeling for
Hey,
that.
get lost.
You get lost. After having the samosa and Pepsi for free, you saw the girl how she's talking.
Why are you always making fun of these girls?
Oh, he is a big savior of girls.
Just shut
now.
up, okay?
That's nothing. He has been always liking above 35. Now below 23 he doesn't like.
Of course, my lord.
Hey, oh my god. He's continuously calling me, dear. I'm getting scared. Attend the call and tell him sorry. Hello? Sorry, sir.
What? Sorry?
No, sir. Someone kept disturbing. We don't know who it is. He keeps calling us daily in the night and keep talking in a disgusting way.
Oh, what about what you spoke?
No. Instead of scolding him, I dialed your number by mistake, so I'm really sorry. Please forgive me, sir.
What? Forgiving? Hello, whatever you do without knowing, that is forgiving. But for this, I'll give punishment. First time when you called, I told you it's the wrong number. But even then, you called and whatever you spoke, I have recorded it. I'll play it for
Where,
you.
sir?
Huh? I will call police.
Sir, please don't do that. My studies will get affected. I'll do anything else, sir.
Oh, is that so? Alright, everything else we'll speak later. But top up for me, 400 rupees.
Sir. Okay, sir.
Hello, bro. How is the climate in London?
Oh, the climate is fantastic. Brother, can I call you back?
I have lot of balance. You can speak. Here, weather is very hot, man.
Hey, why is he knowing the London climate now? Is he going to tell the weather department or what?
Doing recharge for this boy continuously, she will come to the street one day.
Hey, Uma, give me 300 bucks now. Yeah, okay. Yeah, take it. Thank you. Everything is because of you. You're the one who dialed the wrong number. What can I do now? Do you deserve all this? Do you? Shit! For how much, sir?
How long it's been ringing?
I was riding the scooty, sir.
Oh, you have a scooty. What is your father doing?
He's a manager at State Bank
Oh, he's a manager. Where?
in Chennai.
Oh, you are a Chennai girl. Whew. What about, what is your name?
Gayatri.
Gayatri. Nice name. And one more condition. Whenever I feel like talking, I'll call you. Within 5 rings, you should pick up. If you don't pick up, between my house and police station only 10 minutes. Did you understand? And one more thing. There is new offer in Vodafone. 500. Full talk time. Don't do it now. You can top up after 10 minutes. I'm a little busy right now. I'll talk to you later, okay?
Bye. Torture. Hey, what do you want? Hey, I found out who's calling you from that wrong number. He's my old house owner's son. I've told you before itself, no? He's very cute. He's the one who's calling from the new number. Don't torture me. Keep the phone. Dash.
What happened here? See how carelessly she is going.
Hello?
Hey, you picked up the phone in 5 rings. Very good.
Tell me, sir.
Nothing. I just felt like talking to you. Lot of balance in my mobile. It doesn't get over.
Yeah, it's my money, no? What's for you?
Fun only in the phone. Hey, go upstairs and bring the clothes. Go.
I have some work at home. Can I talk to you later, sir?
Oh, is that so? Alright then. You can talk to me for 5 minutes.
If clothes are not dry, don't bring.
Is everything ready or what? The boys are getting everything ready.
Boss, are these notes okay for you?
Not completely dry. Let it dry first.
Okay, boss.
What did Vijayawada Sam say? The raid is over now. They'll get the stuff next week.
See, that guy also got married and got 2 children.
What, sister?
Look here. In Ennur, our councillor Seenu's daughter is there, no? If we ask, he won't neglect.
All that is not required, sister. Just wait. I'll only get a girl.
When? Keep saying like this.
Hello?
Sir, I'm Anand.
Tell me.
Is the stuff ready?
Ah,
I want around 25.
how can you say immediately? Give me some 2 days time. We have to prepare 25 lakhs for Coimbatore Ketta.
For how much, sir?
Just for 100 rupees, but not for me, for my friend.
Sir, I'll recharge only for you. I can't recharge for any other person.
What do you mean? You can't do it. You can keep the call now. In 10 minutes, police will come to your house. Venugopal, number 7, SBI Colony, Arumbakam, Chennai. That's your address.
Sorry, sir. Give me your friend's number.
That's good. Anyway, I will send you the number. And along with it, 100 rupees for me also, okay?
Hey, bro, she's a very soft girl. Just leave her alone.
Is that so?
Yes, bro.
I'll think about it. Hey, what happened, bro? Why are you so depressed today?
That's nothing, bro. Not 1 or 2 days. For 4 days, he was sincerely running behind a girl. She did not even respond to this fellow. I think she was looking at me.
For 4 days? That too sincerely?
Bro, can you somehow get a number for me?
As if you get her number alone, this fellow is going to look glamorous in her eyes.
Hey, brother, somehow you get the number from her. I will convince her to love me. I have that belief on myself.
I like your confidence, bro. You should always maintain this. Which route she goes in?
Root or what?
Hey, I was asking about bus route.
Excuse me.
Yeah?
Can you see the address where it is?
Yeah, sure.
Please say no.
This street is in Indiranagar. You should go straight and...
Please, dude.
Yeah, you tell her.
Yeah, please.
Actually, you go straight. Then
Okay.
take an immediate left. And then an immediate right.
Okay.
In the dead end, there will be a small temple. From there, actually... Auntie,
Okay,
the
say.
address is a little confusing. Can I come along with you and show the place?
Yeah, sure.
Hey, I'll come now.
He is trying to act smart.
How?
Don't forget to call in the evening.
Okay, sweetheart. Bye.
Bro, I am not able to understand one thing.
Shut up and eat, man. For 1 day you gave address?
Bro, the world is round, bro.
Phew, why are you like this, man?
Hey, leave it, man. Hey, bro. What, man? What is my due, man? 1,310 rupees. 1,310. Yeah, keep it. I know you won't have change for 1,000 in your shop. Keep it. Hey, it's looking very crisp, man. Serial number is also identical. Foreign money, man. It'll be like that only. Oh.
A man who was caught today having an illicit affair with the next house lady was killed today. Shocking news from Delhi. Hey, bro. She's a girl I told you. Bro, how is she? Beautiful?
For your range, you shouldn't look how the figure is, man. Whatever you get, you should be happy with it, okay? You need her number, right?
Bro, I'm believing you alone. My life should be happy and you're responsible for that, bro.
Okay, wait and watch.
Hey, did Priya tell you about something? No?
Madam, where does the bus stand?
Hey, it's that bus which is about to leave. Hey, poor thing, help him,
Oh
no?
my god, my phone.
Here.
Give me the SIM. I don't know if my phone is working. Please call me.
Tell me the number.
98843
98843
19293.
19293. It's ringing.
Is that so?
Huh?
I don't know what happened. Maybe the display is not working. Thank you.
Sir, it's already 10 o'clock. It's not possible to go out and do recharge now. Shall I do it in the morning? Hello? Hello, sir?
You don't have to call me sir anymore. You can call me Pugar. And then you have a good news. I have deleted all your recordings. And then I was thinking, mostly I don't have money with me. I must have tortured you, right? I won't do that again. I don't know what happened to me. I haven't spoken like
Mom,
this to
what
anyone.
dear?
Look at him. He's always busy flirting with someone.
Hey, Pugar.
Huh?
If you talk also no problem, but ask her to cook well, okay?
What? She's talking about some girl who can cook?
That's nothing, Gayatri. My mom is a great cook.
Oh.
If you have my mom's cooking, you know what? Wow!
Shit! I've told you several times to add some masala in the curry, but you don't do it at all. Why don't you listen?
I understood. What a great master chef your mom is. Oh no. Hold on for a second. The current went off. This won't stand also.
Hello. Light up the matchstick and show it under the candle. It'll stay.
Thanks.
Whomsoever you like, and whoever is your friend, you should not say thank you, sorry, and please. Okay then. I won't disturb you from now. Good night, Gayatri. Bye. I have spoken to a lot of girls, man. But her voice is little different.
Whose voice, bro?
Brother, I'm not able to understand one thing, bro. After topping up continuously, I think you're fallen for her.
Hey, what happened to you? Why are you just running like this? From 2 days I'm watching you. Your behavior is too worst.
When she talks, it seems like a singer is singing.
This song only I was asking the other day.
Excuse me?
Not that, bro. When my grandmother speaks, it seems as if a big singer is singing. That doesn't mean that she is a beautiful chick, na?
Pugar? No, it's me, Preeti. Hey, what happened to you? Nothing happened. I'll call you later. Bye.
I used to just think and call her. But now even if I want to talk to her, I am thinking for a lot of times before calling her.
Hey, listen to me. If the voice is good on the phone, the girl will not be beautiful.
Beauty is just for the eyes, man. What matters is the mind. Huh? Hey Gayatri, did you top up for me?
You didn't call me for 3 days. That's why I thought there's no balance in your phone and recharged.
Each of your friend has completed graduation. They've got a new job and they have started earning well. They have settled in their life. I'm not able to understand what are you doing and where are you going. Every month you are attending an interview. You are just collecting money to buy the application form. But nothing happens. Why did you ask me 300 rupees, dear?
My friend wanted it.
If you ask me, you can give, no?
I don't
I'll
need your
get tiffin on
recommendation for
table,
that.
just eat and go.
Have this. Get back the change.
Grams 1 kilo, rice 1 kilo, sugar 1
Hey,
kilo.
bro.
What else?
Give me change for $1,000.
No change, man. I just went to the market now.
Just try, bro.
No, man. If I had, I would have given, right?
Shit.
Come here.
Do you have? Give me. Thank you, boss.
Get the bag fast. I'm already late.
Yeah, take care.
I had told you to bring change for $1,000, but you're not able to do that also? Out of these 4 notes are fake notes. Can't you find out that? How can you find that? If you're gone for a job and earned well, then you could have found out which is a fake note and which is a good note. Where did you get this?
Market.
Go there and change immediately. I don't know what I'm going to do with this boy.
Have you kept everything?
Brother, brother, there was a man standing next to the auto. Did
I
you see
don't
him?
know, man. He was changing his vehicle's tire. Why are you asking?
Nothing.
Over phone, he was saying some bus stand or something.
One water packet.
I will take care.
Hand over the stuff. And Kitta will give you 6.5 lakhs original cash. You come carefully. Hey, take care of the stuff.
Okay, bro. Hello.
Hello, am I talking to the police inspector?
Yes. Who are you?
It's not important that who am I. There is a person who is traveling by a private bus. He's got a lot of fake notes with him. I just saw him with a huge bundle of notes. I'm sure it is all fake notes.
Hey. How do you know that it's all fake notes?
I have solid proof, sir.
Okay. Tell me from where are you calling and who are you first?
I'm calling from the market area.
Hey.
Get inside the jeep. Come on, quick. Constables, take all the bundles.
Sir. Just get in, you bugger.
Shut up. Just get in.
Yes, sir. Come soon. Sir, the moment you pulled my collar, I really became frightened. Don't worry, it's just my drama. I got an information that you're taking some fake notes with you. When I asked him, he said he's got evidence with him. If that is the case, he will surely wait and watch whether I'm coming and picking you up. Had I not reached there, he would have definitely called some other police station, I'm sure. He would have given the news to some other police officer. After that, all of us will get into trouble. And how can we face our boss?
For this bullshit only did you say you'll go and do the job. Still not learned the job in spite of being with us for so many years. Hey, you
Bro.
start off first. Kitty will be waiting for you there.
Okay, bro. Bro, I got a call from the public booth, so I could not find out who had called me. If tomorrow any problem comes, then I will also get into deep trouble.
So for that,
Let the stuff be here itself. After the problem gets solved, I will hand it over to you.
getting this stuff ready is just a 2-day job for me. And the sincerity that you are showing towards the government for receiving the salary, glad to see that. Please let me know who is the fellow that called you and informed. Ega, just call Kitten. Kitta, the stuff will take at least 4 days. Please adjust till then.
Okay, buddy. Send it soon.
Okay.
Why so late to get a change from the nearby shop?
I got the change from a different person.
Who is that? Have you got back the $400?
No, I reported to the police.
You caught him in the police.
Yes.
You mean to say that we have lost that 400 rupees?
Why are you always greedy about money, Dad? If he doesn't get caught now, he'll be cheating others too. That's the reason.
You're right. But why should we get into unnecessary problems?
That I will take care.
Tell me, Kitta,
Your stuff was caught by the police.
who told you?
The police officer was my very good friend. He told me.
So what did you say for that?
For the past 1 week, my guys are sitting idle. I told the same thing to him.
Isaac, he's now supplying the stuff to Kit. When he left us itself, I wanted to kill him. You only asked me not to. Hey, turn the vehicle, man.
Bro, Isaac is leaving tomorrow morning. People say if we see dead body, it's an auspicious time. And that too, it's Isaac dead body. Brother, can we give the advance for the big container today itself?
Is it a good day
Yes,
or what?
brother.
Hey, Veddy,
Yes, bro.
where did you say is the girl's house?
SBI colony, Arambakam.
Are you Shankar, sir?
No Shankar sir and all. Simply metal merchant Shankar.
Whom do you want to meet, sir?
You only. Whatever respect I have in my place, the same respect he has. Sit down. For the last 30 years he's been with me. He'll do anything for me. All these years he didn't want to get married.
Mom, lunchbox. Who are they?
I don't know, dear.
I'm leaving.
Now I understand why you agreed.
Bro, the girl is really beautiful, bro.
Who's come now?
I don't know who it is. They're talking something to Dad.
Okay, you go.
Bye.
Bye.
All that is not a problem. He's got 4 lodges in his name. You can confidently hand over your daughter to him. He'll take care of her nicely.
He's my son Dinesh. Completed MCOM. Searching for a job now.
Our brother-in-law searching for a job. In this city, please let us know where you're interested to work. You'll be getting it.
You mean changing fake notes or what?
Hey, what are you talking?
He was the person who gave me fake notes. I had given the complaint against him. Changing you fake notes, dogs? Coming to our house for marriage proposal?
Why
Get
are you
out!
talking without any respect?
What do you think? I'll give you respect or what? Get out of this house immediately!
Ega,
Ask them to get out first.
Get lost!
I'm sorry, sir.
Hey, if you people come to our house once again, the
Hey,
crime branch
hey,
will come to
keep
your
quiet.
house. I'm telling you.
Hey,
this is a
keep
final
quiet.
warning.
Hey.
I will not leave you at all.
Don't shout. Please keep quiet.
Why are you shouting against him?
Stupid loafer, man. Greedy for 500s and thousands. All these problems are only because of you. Dega, do you only need that girl? Or do you want a brother also? In our profession, actually, marriage and family will not work out, brother. It is better to remain like this. Leave it, brother. I'll forget about the girl from now on. Fellows like him will not keep quiet. They'll create some problem or the other for us. I'm going to kill him. When? Now the situation is not apt. Wait for 10 days and kill him. Only 10 days are left. Why are they changing the venue location now?
Calcutta Stadium, there's a meeting, I believe. We received a fax today.
The day when our grounds are solely used for athletic purposes. Only that day sports will really improve in our country, sir. Thank you, sir.
Deva,
Yes?
one of your students was trying for the national level. Will he get a gold?
Sure, sir.
Hey, what happened to your bro?
He's enjoying.
The meet is no more in Kolkata. They've changed it to Chennai. Good for us. We'll start 5 days earlier itself.
Okay, sir.
We'll keep the practice there only.
Yeah. Okay,
Huh?
sir. Yeah.
Still now is he talking? What's wrong?
With us only this gentleman speaks very less. With her he can speak for hours.
What is your Facebook ID?
I'm not there on Facebook.
Don't get me wrong. Your photo is not there on WhatsApp.
Photo? I am coming to Chennai in 4 days. Then why do you need photo? Anyway, you wanna see me? Wait, I'll send.
You guys are the only culprits in the city. What do you think of yourself? Bloody fools.
Sir? Hey, tell me, man.
If you
Tell
wanted
me,
money,
tell
you
me.
could have asked me 2 days before.
Sir?
Now suddenly why you are asking? I had asked to other friend also. But in the last minute he couldn't give me. You're always a sincere police officer. Then how will you have money with you? Come on, have it. Where is your son going now? He's going for a competition, sir, national level. If he wins, then next is Asian meet, sir. Let him complete his degree and get a white-collar job. What is wrong with you, buddy? You're encouraging for all these games and other things? Already he's got some health problems, and why are you sending for sports? Sir, initially I was also afraid just like you, sir. But he has selected sports as his path to earn in his life, sir. I also thought that he's right, sir. That's why I encouraged him, sir. Sir, it's time for me. Let me leave, sir.
Let's see, it's okay. We have time.
Bro, your dad is coming.
What happened, Dad?
Keep this with you. Keep
Hey,
it, man.
why are you giving me this much
Have
money?
this. I have unnecessarily wasted my life hearing to my senior officers. But somehow you have to win in this national meet and get a good position. That's enough.
Come on, Dad. I will definitely win.
I know my son will definitely win. You know that I'm nearing my retirement. That's why I'm afraid. Take care.
Thank you, dude. Hello.
Hello, sir. Please take care of my son properly, sir.
Go ahead peacefully, sir. I'm
Okay.
here, right? I'll take
Okay,
care.
sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Let's go.
Come,
Take
sir.
care, my dear guys. All the best. Okay,
then.
then. Call me when
Bye.
you reach.
Yeah, sure.
Bye.
Hey, came at the right
Hey,
time.
bro.
Hi.
How are you? Hey, how are you?
How are you,
I'm fine. A hotel is just nearby.
Shall we
Okay,
go?
come.
Come. Guys, that's your
Yes,
room.
sir.
We got to start early in the morning at 5.
Hey, get inside. My
Hey,
stomach
don't
is
push me,
upset.
man.
Come on, quick. Hey, if it was so urgent, then I could have gone in the train itself. Okay, da, buddy, I'm moving.
Hey, bro. Give me your bike key.
Yeah, keep it with you till the meet gets over. Okay?
Okay.
Hey, we'll meet in the evening at the ground.
All right.
Hey, the water inside is completely yellow in color.
What is this, Gayatri? Here water is in yellow color.
When you come,
It'll happen like that only.
where are you staying?
At Egmore. Okay, when can we meet?
Today itself.
Yeah, from tomorrow I have practice.
You came for that only, no? Do that first.
Hello, all that I know. Okay, tell me where to come.
10 o'clock at Amjikare Perumal Temple.
Okay, I'll be there.
Drop in the nearest bus stand. I will take the bus from there.
At least attend this interview keeping in mind that you need the job. Simply don't make Dad shout at you.
Bro, I'm going to meet a friend of mine. Tell sir, okay?
Okay.
Come, let's go. All the best.
Go slowly.
Is Isaac brother troubling you? He's a fool.
Yeah, tell me.
Brother, Dinesh is standing alone in the bus stop.
Alone.
Yes, brother. What should we do?
Lift him. I'll talk to brother.
Okay, brother, I will do it.
Why is his tea not strong?
For the money you're giving, you'll only get this.
Bro, where is temple in this
You
street?
turn right and go straight. At the end, you will find it.
Okay, thank you. Sorry, bro. My mistake.
Hey, brother's there.
Tell me.
The guy who was next to you, he's the person, bro. Sir, can you just give me a lift, sir?
Yeah, hop on.
Sir,
Yeah?
please go faster. I have to take my sister to the hospital, sir. Sir, please make it faster.
Okay. Hey,
Yeah?
where are you from?
I'm not from here.
What are you doing here?
I came to meet a friend.
Huh?
Came to meet a friend.
What name?
Pugar.
Bro, tell me what should we do?
Cut his hands and legs and come.
I apologized to you, right? Then why did you send them?
Hey, Otto, come here first. Bro, you go. I will take care of him.
Hello? Where are you, Pugar? There's so much of problem here.
I am in Amjikarai. Where are you, Gayatri?
I asked you to be patient, right? Why were you so hasty? How is your hand now? It'll become alright in 4 days. That bloody damn fellow. He's got the guts to hit and fight with my people, huh? That day only we should have cut and chopped him in his house itself.
Bro, we were not hit by that boy.
Who else? I have not seen him before this at all. His name is Prem. He is from a different city. What is his problem with us?
We all went together and tried to kill Dinesh. This boy saved him from us.
A bloody useless outsider fellow. Go to search and find his whereabouts and kill him today itself.
There is an attempt murder case file put on you.
For what? I'll try and talk to the SP and come.
Search!
He's going to print black money. Sit straight and show your head. Not having fit to pay the school fees, he is printing black money, it seems. Come on, let's go inside.
Sir. Nothing, sir.
The fake note bundles are actually supplied from this city. How are they sending? From where are they printing? Till now, we don't have any evidence. But for the first time now, a boy is given complaint against Ganesh.
Yes, sir. Recently, they killed Isaac and converted that case into an accident. Isaac's wife itself gave a statement that Shankar and Ega doesn't have any involvement in the case.
Because those people are really afraid of him. But even then, yesterday a boy raised his hands against Alan and his useless team. He's really brave. Just find out the details about him soon.
Yes, sir.
Manish,
Sir?
I heard you caught a group who were having fake notes, I believe.
Yes, sir. I thought it was fake notes, but inside it was completely cloth material, sir.
Oh,
Someone has given a wrong information.
okay. Sir.
Where did you park the bike?
Hi, Gayatri. Hello, why are you not minding me?
Hey, bus has come. Okay, bye, yaar. Tomorrow is your treat. Don't forget to bring the money, okay?
You'll talk only in phone. You won't talk in person. Listen, it's not my fault. I told him sorry. Even then they came to hit me. It's wrong to beat someone up, but to get beaten up, it's a bigger mistake. That's why I just beat them up. For this, you are not talking to me and...
Hi.
Everybody is giving something to her. Hello, excuse me. Please keep this, I'll get from you.
Maran Square stop, get down quickly.
My pen? Hello, what is this? You are trying to steal my pen because I made you top up. You could have asked me, I would have given.
Please understand, it fell inside. I'll give you a pen tomorrow itself. Mm.
Yeah, it's okay. Hey Gayatri, take care, okay? It's a Parker pen.
Tell me, sweetheart, get out of the vehicle. And which hotel? Room number? Got it. I'll come directly. Hey, just a minute. I'll just note the address. Pass me a pen, boss.
I don't have a pen.
Boss, I'll write and give it to you back. Give, man. Hello, boss. Pen, please.
What is your name?
Senthil.
I won't give you a pen to you. Go.
Hey,
Yeah.
if it's Senthil, your pen won't write. If it is a different name, will your pen write?
You kid.
Hello. Nothing, dear. Just an on-the-way conversation. What are you doing, man? No flexibility and nothing. Hey, leave the ground and get out first. Come for a picnic to Chennai.
Sir,
You're roaming around with girls and creating a problem around here.
sir, it is not my fault.
Then is it my fault or what? Trusting you, I told everyone in the college that you'll come with the gold. That's my mistake. Hey, just leave. Don't stand in front of me.
Sir, I don't know who they are. They came to beat me up. That's
I
why.
know all that. Hey, you know what your problem is, right? If something untoward happens, who's going to answer your father? Hey, go away from here. Don't stand in front of me.
Sir, please listen
Hey,
to me.
I asked you to leave now. Hey, what are you staring? Hey, bring the discuss here.
Guys, did sir say something?
Just leave it, bro. You know about us, sir. Tomorrow it'll be alright. Just forget it. You come to the ground tomorrow. Everything will be okay.
Bro, there is a small work for me tomorrow. Please tell him something and manage.
I know what is your plan. How's your girlfriend?
Oh, don't ask me, bro.
Okay, we're not asking.
Hey, no, I want to tell about
Then
it.
tell na.
What can I tell you about her? Yeah, tomorrow is her birthday.
He won't do any work responsibly at all.
Your son, he'll be talking some rules somewhere.
Why? Can't you give a bill for 30 rupees?
What to do now? Hey, write a bill for him.
Where is she? I don't know when she's gonna come.
Hi, boss.
Huh?
How are you? You gave me lift that day,
Yeah.
remember?
Ah,
How are you,
I
sir?
remember.
What's your name?
Pugar.
My name is Dinesh. Because of my urgency, I could not thank you that day. Thank you, sir.
Oh, yeah, it's okay.
My house is very nearby. Please come with me.
I'm here to meet a friend of mine. Please understand.
We have a small function in the house. Come, we'll go within 5 minutes.
He saw my gift and now calling me for function. What will I do now?
Boss, you helped me very much, boss. Please come,
Hey,
boss. Listen to
hey,
me, boss.
come on, man.
You
Hey,
helped me.
leave it.
You have to have a
Okay,
cup
okay,
of
I'll
coffee
come.
at least.
Yeah, I'll
Please
come,
come.
You have to give the balloon to
Look,
sister
dear,
also, okay?
we'll go and invite Radhakrishnan Sale and come.
Come in, boss. I too have birthday, but nobody celebrates, boss. Hey Gayatri, he's my friend Dushyant.
Huh? Yeah, what did you tell me that day?
Sir, please go fast, sir. I have to take my sister to the hospital, sir. Please, sir.
If someone pours hot water, they'll become beautiful, huh?
What is it?
I didn't know he was going to be my brother-in-law.
God bless you, my dear. Give it to mom also.
Thank you.
Brother.
Many more happy returns of the day.
Thanks, auntie. Thanks. Thank you. Thanks.
Hey, give the
Distribute
cake.
to all of them, dear. Go.
Yeah, 1 minute. Happy birthday.
Thanks a lot.
What, boss? You're giving the gift to my sister?
She's giving me cake and all, so I thought.
That is okay. But if she doesn't like the gift, then she'll scold you.
Dad, it's time for college. I'm leaving.
Okay, dear. Are you still working the same department
No,
or
sir,
you
shifted to the other department.
Oh.
Okay, then I'm leaving.
I'll drop you.
Hey, no, it's okay. I'll go.
Okay,
Thank you.
bye.
Uncle, I'm leaving.
All right.
Auntie, bye bye.
Okay, take care. dear.
Okay. Yeah, see you later.
Bye bye.
Hi.
Come sit fast. My dad passes through this way to office.
You look like a baby, but you are only a rowdy.
So what is it?
This headlight and indicator. You should change it.
The spares are there in this.
Okay, ma'am.
Come, we'll stand there.
Like what you think? He didn't hit you because of the cycles matter. The illegal business they're doing, Dinesh reported it to police. Not just that, he had also come home with a proposal to marry me. Dinesh insulted them and asked them to leave. That's why, when they were chasing him, you gave him a lift and saved his life. That's why they're angry with you now.
You are saying something and all. But I know only one thing right now.
What is it?
We have a biology working between us.
What is it? Biology. Everybody says chemistry, no?
Chemistry working out is not good enough. Just like a lab experiment, our love will also be like that. Only if biology works out, an average looking girl like you and a superb handsome like me.
I have no such feelings.
Come on, double up, double up. Hey, Charles.
Sir?
Go and ask him to come.
Buddy, sir's calling you.
Go. Boys. On your mark. Set. Go. If you run with this timing, you won't even get the 7th place. You start off home tonight itself. I'll talk to your father. Hey, the goal that you're going to win is not your dream alone. It is combined with your father's dream and my target. I really don't understand why you don't understand this. Hope you do.
Sir, just give me one more chance. I'll get the timing right.
Go. Prem. A jockey's job is only to ride the horse. It is up to the horse to run. Saw this. Now you know it how difficult it is to correct the timing if you lose it. Huh? It is a rigorous effort to keep the timing. Go. Go and relax.
Buddy, when you missed your timing, I also became afraid, you know.
I knew it'll become right, da. I don't want him to be upset. That's why.
But mistake is yours too. You were daily giving some excuses and avoiding the practice. That is too bad. You went to meet your girlfriend, right?
Hey, talk slowly. He should not hear it.
Without doubt, you should do it confidently. At the same time, you should not have overconfidence.
Yes, sir.
Okay, boys. We'll pack up for now. We got to assemble tomorrow evening at 5 o'clock.
Okay, sir.
Sir, this is...
Whenever we finish our practice and are about to disperse, you have a question. Go, man. Hey, see who's calling,
Yeah.
man.
Hey man, where are you?
What do you mean by asking that? I've come to see my friend winning. See what you're asking now. I've just got down at Chennai bus stand. Come and pick me up. Okay? Only I am tense it seems. You guys are all relaxed. Who was that, man?
My friend has come, sir.
Now only you have corrected your timing. He's come to spoil it, huh? Hi, dude.
Hi, bro.
The moment I close my eyes, I only hear your voice around me all the time.
Hey, what happened? You seem to be in a great mood.
Hey, the love is happening with me, dude.
For you?
Yes.
Who is that unlucky girl?
Second year, history department. Kirti, man.
Is it so?
Now it is 4 days since it has started. But bro, there's a small doubt if it is confirmed or not.
It's okay, man. You do what I say. If she does the same, it's confirmed love. 4 girls will be walking together and we will be hiding behind a tree. And if they are not able to see us, no, they will keep looking for us.
Hey, Gayatri,
Huh?
come on, you can get on the way.
You carry on. I'll come in the bus.
Okay then, bye.
Exactly at that time, you should smile and give a hero entry. Did any of this happen?
this is not the bus you are supposed to go, no? Yeah, I know. But a man is following. He is hiding behind the auto now. Come, we'll go and get down in the next stop.
No, bro.
Is that so? Anyway, I'll tell you another idea. These girls, you know, whatever ornaments they wear, they would want us to compliment on that. Did this happen?
No, bro.
That's okay. I'll tell you another.
Hey, don't talk more than this and irritate me.
Anyway, leave it, man. Better luck next time. Hey, where are you going? Come, let's go to my room.
No, my dear friend. I am not interested to come with you at all. You will transfer all your bad habits upon me, which I am not interested at all in my life. I have got my aunt staying here. I'll go stay there and come to the ground directly tomorrow.
Good morning, sir. Bail petition has been filed. That's the reason there was a delay.
Leave all that. Where is brother?
He's here, sir.
Did you send the stuff to Cochin Bhai? No, brother. PC, he's trying to trace us a lot. He's keeping that bank staff witness with him and planning to finish all of us at once. That's why we were waiting for you. It's 25 years that I'm doing this job. Till now, I have never failed sending the consignment on time. Tonight, you bring him to the main junction. Kill him and cast him into the sea. Tomorrow, whoever wins the first and the second spot, only they will be qualified to go to the Asian Games. Timing is very important, Prem.
Yeah.
Take very good rest at night. Get up early in the morning, and just a small warm-up is enough. Huh? Don't overstrain your body. You get me? Okay, let's move.
You keep walking. Yeah, tell me.
Dinesh left in the morning telling he's going to a friend's house. He's still not back. He's not attending calls also. I'm getting scared. Can you look for him?
Okay, send me his number.
Okay,
Sir,
man.
sir,
Huh?
I'll just meet a friend and come.
Okay, go and come
Yeah,
soon.
okay.
Hello? Hello?
Hello, Dinesh, this is Pugar speaking. Where are you?
Hello, Dushan. I've been chased by some gundas. Here, Gandhinagar.
Where exactly in Gandhinagar?
Opposite the market.
Hello? Hello? Hello?
Oh, useless fellows. He has stabbed all my money. can I search them now? Fit for nothing, useless fellows. Are the idiots are blind? Definitely they will get severely from someone. Please kindly take all the money and put it in this. Thank God. God will bless you. Throw everything.
Ask him if he has snapped him or not. Okay, brother.
Be careful,
What
bro.
happened, sir?
Okay, bro.
Why you doing like this?
Nothing happened, just leave me, Mom.
You will never listen
I said
to
nothing
me.
happened.
Hey, wait. I'm coming. No, wait.
Tomorrow morning 10 a.m. is my athletic meet. When I am about to run, I want to see you. You will come, no?
Sure.
I'll just come now, Mom.
You just came back, no? Where are you going?
DC had called me. I'll just come back now.
Do whatever you want.
Bye, bro.
Yeah, careful.
Seriously, now I'm feeling
What are you feeling?
between you and me,
Between you and me?
there is a biology working out.
All bloody useless fellows, you guys. One outsider fellow has come, and you guys are shamelessly getting beaten up by him. Yuga, let them start a new venture now. They are only fit to wash roadside toilets. These fellows are not fit for our profession. If you are a man and somebody's hand falls on you, that day will be his end. Hey, Ega, where is that outsider fellow put up now? I'll take care of him.
Find out the IP address details immediately.
May I come in, sir?
Come, Dinesh. You both can wait outside.
Sir.
Tell me, Dinesh.
Sir, you could have caught those fake note guys and put behind bars. You are the one who told me to put an attempted murder case. Now wherever I go, they are chasing me, sir.
With the small information you have given, we cannot do anything with that network. We have to do a big plan. We'll do it.
Hey, where is he? Ooh, Prem. I have actually sent him out then itself. Till evening he was there in the ground with you, and you are saying a lie that you have sent him out. Hey, see, don't listen to me first. Hey, a coach should never speak lies. Hey. Tomorrow Nehru Stadium only, right? I want to see how you are going to step your foot inside. Hey.
Dinesh! Dad!
Come here. See your brother. Oh God. I don't know what to
Dinesh! Someone killed my son! He has gone from us. He left everything and went to me. Dinesh!
Hey, what happened? Prem!
Hey, where are you now?
I'm outside.
Our sir was hit, Ra. We are taking him to the hospital now. Come fast.
Sorry, sir. He came to see you, sir. I had belief on you, sir. That's the reason I didn't prevent him. But what happened now, sir? Very next to your office, he was murdered. What will you do now?
What will you do now, sir? What have you been able to do?
Can you, police department, give me back my son, sir? Tell me, sir. Can you give him back, sir? Please go, sir. Go. Go and resign your job and come, sir. We have a security job vacancy in our bank. I will recommend for you, sir. Please come. Now you can go. Go, sir. I will take care, sir.
Hey, who's that?
Alan Chimda, they were actually aiming you, but they hit, sir.
Okay, where is he?
Room 215.
Sir?
It's a small fracture only. We'll be all right. I shouldn't have got into all these problems. God, man. We have lost everything. Somehow, they'll not allow you to come to the ground tomorrow. I'm not sure how I'm going to face your father. All my dreams have been spoiled and there's only one way.
In these notes which you're seeing now, there are a lot of fake notes. It is not you alone. Even the authorized currency checking machine, it will miss to find these fake notes. These notes which are printed is done in a perfect way. Till now, there is no case or file which is put against these culprits. In fact, there is no difference between those people printing the notes and the government notes at all. Those guys are still using the old type of printing machine because he's a notorious criminal. Samong is always supported by the Allen team. Just like this country, whichever country has got more population, floating of these kinds of fake notes is very, very easy. Please watch this visual, sir.
As of now, the situation is the country has got about 1,69 lakhs of fake notes surrounding this country. For the past 2 years, the RBI has got the details of the fake notes, and they are, in the beginning 2013 it was 18.9 crores, and during 2014 it was 24 crores. So the floating fake notes are increasing day by day in this country, and because of this, there will be a strong increase in the rate of the commodities too. Due to this, the common man will be affected very badly. So, the police department has got the responsibility to nab these culprits and help the society. The main point to be noted is that, along with the small group, the big network should also be nabbed.
These floating or fake notes should not be taken lightly. It will destroy our country's economic growth completely. The list of the criminals what we have seen now, Sam Hong should have been seen here, but he's escaped. Till now, those who were just white-collar accused culprits have recently entered into criminal activities too. Their business enmity Isaac, the witness we had, Mr. Dinesh, he was just 27-year-old. He is no more today. I'm just waiting for your order, sir. If you order, I will clean it completely.
Hello, Mr. Uttam. We cannot take any decision in a hasty way. Just wait. We'll see.
Sir, careful, sir. Slowly.
Be careful, sir. Sir,
It's okay. Please sit down.
Sir, I am Devraj, sir.
I know you're a physical director. Dushyant. Father's name is Chatterjee. His father is working as a head constable in the police department. A sincere man.
Yes, sir.
In the hurdles event, he's got a national tag. If he gets injured, the blood would not stop. And knowing that you have beaten the rowdies very harshly, what was your problem with them?
sir, you know what?
Hey, Prem. Wait,
yeah.
wait. Yes, sir. Till tomorrow evening's event gets over. Please give us police protection.
On a
sir.
daily basis, around 5 lakh people are coming and going in the city, sir. How can protection be given to all? Actually, even I don't have a protection here. Each and every one of us have to safeguard ourselves. I'm very sorry.
Sir.
Sir, you please sit down. I'm telling you, you just sit down. Sir,
And still, if you need a protection, the sports academy has to request us. And that too 10 days before they have to give us a letter. So I cannot do anything now.
Been eating fish since I was born, doctor. That's why the power remains so. Stupid fellow. Use the knife. Stupid fellow has escaped somewhere. Hey, after all, where is he going to escape? If only I get him once.
You have to catch all this cotton so that the blood stops.
For me, it will stop, doctor. But for him, it doesn't clot.
Is this the boy who had created a problem with you, Alan? He's got a very peculiar disease, you know. If he gets a big injury, he will die. Sir, I'm leaving, sir. Bye, Alan.
Bro, inspectors come to meet you.
Why is he coming here?
Some urgent matter.
Okay, ask him to come.
Okay. Immediately, you and Alan have to leave this place for about 6 months. Immediately. DC is planning something secret. Anything, any moment can happen.
Who the hell are you asking to escape? Who the hell is he? Why are you showing your anger to him? He is just passing us an information.
I'm telling for your good, Alan. The decision is yours.
There is some meaning in what he's talking. Why are you saying we are eating the same food that he's eating, right? When that fellow hits, I also get hurt. Hey, Ega. Without seeing that bloody stupid fellow's death, I am not going to come anywhere. Hey, Ega, hey! Now there is no point being here. Hey, where are you, man?
I'm at home. Tell me, bro.
Tomorrow 10 o'clock, come to Nehru Stadium. We got to whack that boy.
Don't worry, bro. I will take care.
What happened? What did he say?
I also tried speaking to him. What he says is also right. Everybody has to take care of themselves.
What, Prem?
You come, sir.
What do we do now? Hey, we'll not go to the hotel now. We'll go to his house.
Hey, you do one thing. You take sir to your home. I'll go to the hospital and get the medicines and
Okay.
come.
Hey, come carefully, man. Ask everyone to come there.
Yeah, I'll tell them.
Okay.
Come inside carefully, sir.
Hello, sir. Have you reached safely? If he comes with you, how is he going to be safe? Who? Seeking police protection, huh? After killing you, next is he. Hey, if I can break his leg, how long will it take for me to slaughter him? I am at the Red Hills Junction. Before you arrive, I will be killing him. You come whenever you want. Sir, Prem is crossing this point right now.
Okay, I'll be there.
Okay, sir. Load it in the container. What, dear coach? Without training the boys in good athletics, you have taught them to fight nicely? No. Actually, he didn't actually come to put up a fight with you. Today's athletic meet is important for us. Huh? Blabbering too much, huh? Only if he is alive will he be able to run tomorrow. A small wound itself will damage him, right? I just got to know it now. He's coming, right? Not just one wound. In front of your eyes, his blood is going to spray around the entire place here. Sir. Actually, there was a fear that something would happen to him. That's why all this happened. Just leave him, sir. I beg you, I beg you, sir. Just leave him. Don't do anything to him. Oh! No, don't come here. Just go. Listen to me, listen to me. Prem. Don't, just leave. Come, man. Come. What did you say the other day? Hey! You guys do your job. He'll take care of himself. Hey! Hey! If you take one step further, I will kill him. Hey, get up. Kill him. Why did you do all this, man?
Hey, buddy, I'm really afraid.
Hey! You are okay, right?
Are you alright? Prem!
The culprit whom I'm searching is searching you now. Listen to me.
What is this, sir? You are asking me to do your duty.
Can a gun given to be everyone? It's because of belief on you.
I don't need this gun to save me, sir. He taught me how to run. Now he himself can't walk.
Sir.
Sir, you have received the protection what you had asked. You can join the event now. All the best, Dushyant.
Ladies and gentlemen, I welcome you all for the 55th National Senior Athletics Championship for the year 2015, which is being organized in this beautiful Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium, Chennai. Now you could see some of the teams march out, and that is a colorful band party which is out from the show. Now we are about to start the and that is a short final moment. We are going to have the long jump for men by the final. And the relay stage 5, 1 year ahead of Tamil.
45.7.
Oh, shit.
Ladies and gentlemen, the 55th National Senior Athletics Championship.
Dushyant, all the best.
It's not he, it's me.
Sir, is Dushyant event over,
The
sir?
heats is over, now the finals is remaining. As soon as he completes it, I'll ask him to call you.
All right, sir. Thank you, sir. Hello. Best of luck.
Yeah.
Tomorrow, 10 o'clock, come to Nehru Stadium. We're going to whack that boy.
Bro, I'll take care.
Now we are going to start the 110 meter men's final. The lineup for this 110 meter hurdle men's final is as follows. In lane number 1, we have bib number 953, Riya Thermal from Kerala. In lane number 2, bib number 668, Rupa from Andhra Pradesh. In lane number 3, bib number 74, Ashwin from Rajasthan. In lane number 4, bib number 887, Malhotra from Jharkhand. In lane number 5, 727, Ugarindi from Tamil Nadu. In lane number 6, 933, Rahul from West Bengal. In lane number 7, bib number 880, Ramesh from Bihar. And in lane number 8, bib number 650, Uttam Singh from Haryana. This is the lineup for 110 meter hurdles men's final. Let us all wish the 8 finalists all the very best. It is combined with your father's dream and my target. When you run, your target should be only the gold medal.
Hey! Hey, come on, Dushan, come on! That's it, get the spin, come on!
Dude, overtake, man!
Yeah, come on, that's a spin, come on, buddy!
Yes, come fast! Hey,
Buddy,
what, man?
buddy, what have you
Prem.
done? Buddy, what
How
have
are
you
you
done?
now?
Get
How
up,
are you now?
buddy.
Hey, just get up.
Yeah,
Hey,
don't
come, we'll go for
Come on,
first
come.
aid. Hey, don't worry,
quick.
don't worry, we'll be
Let's
there.
move.
great doctor.
Of course, I never expected that I will see that boy again. Today, if I'm able to save him, it's because the confidence we have. Today, technology is improved very much.
Yes.
You know, in today's technology, we can do wonders like this.
Yeah, you can go and see him inside.
Bring some tea. If tea is boiled little more means it might be tasty.
It's the tea you made, Auntie. I just reheated it.
The Asian game player Pugarendi Subramaniam has won the gold medal, which is held in Tokyo, the capital of Japan. It was proudly wished and got the regards from the whole of Tamil Nadu. And he got the post of Assistant Commissioner in Tanjavur.
He's a cop, come on, he's a police. He's a man with the action. Everybody come on, look with the passion. Frustration, urwagum, even parfait parta. Oh, vecha kuri, adu tappadu. Payum iti, yeah, even dane.
Hey Dad, why are you saluting me?
The salute is not for you, my son. It's for your post.
Stretch your left leg properly. And look at the fingering. You have to hold it like this. Huh? See the position. Hey.